Let's take a look at new features in Student Manager 9. The quick launch is located here on the left. Let's start with the course button. This brings up the Course Explorer. It's like the search screen, but a lot more powerful. We can look at all and active courses from here. We can even create bookmarks by right-clicking and then find them under the Bookmarks quick filter. In Student Manager 8, you may be used to opening a course record, going to the registrations, and then going to payments like this. In Student Manager 9, you can find any course and go right to its registrations and right to payments on those registrations just by clicking these tabs. The explorers will generally remember how you left things. So if I go to a certain course and let's say I rearrange these columns and I'll put it in this sort order, and then I'll move the window over here and change its size. The next time I open this window, you'll see that my course is still selected. My columns are in the same order as I left them, in the same sort, and in the same place. From an Explorer, we can add a new record, edit an existing one. We have more options here, such as register a name. We can clone a course, jump right to its quick reports, and a few more options that you can also get by right-clicking the course. You can even use the query editor from the reports areas to dial in the data you want to look at here. So if we look at coordinator, it's not an empty field, and give that a try. Apply that. Okay, we want to get rid of these inactive courses, so I'll add another condition. Course active is true, and we can apply that. And once that's saved, we can come back and edit that later. Now, we have one Course Explorer open with a query editor. If I right-click and choose View Courses again, I can actually open two Course Explorers. I can open the Names Explorer as well, including any other Explorer. And that includes the new Registrations Explorer, which lets you look at all the registrations for common time periods right at a glance. In addition to being able to rearrange and resize grid columns, you can also right-click and do Add Remove. This will let you choose other columns from the table, even UDFs, and calculate columns, such as balance, paid, and due. Now when I look at the registrations, I see all that information at a glance. And of course, if I close this in its last year, when I come back to the registrations, it will remember last year and my calculated columns. That's quite a bit for now, so go exploring and I'll see you in the next one.